Hello friends, myself Rasmi Patel. Today we learn for class 9 subject Sanskrit. In this video we learn under the topic chapter number 13 Drishtaya Grograhana Swanton. Luckily the adoption of cows ended happily. In this video we translate this lesson in English and I tell you a difficult meaning of this lesson. We start. Pravishya. Pravishya means pravesa. Pravesh means enter. Entering. Pravishya means entering. Bhattah Jayatu Maharajah Priyam Nivede Maharajaya Aujitam Gogrhanam Apayata Dhutrashtra. Jayatu Maharaj. Maharaj ni jai ho. May His Majesty be victorious. Jayatu, victorious. Victory. Okay? So may His Majesty be victorious. Priyam Nivede Maharajaya. I convey something. Nivede. Convey something pleasing to His Majesty. Maharaja, Majesty. So may His Majesty be victorious. I convey something pleasing to His Majesty. Avijayatam Gogrhanam. Gogrhanam means cows. Stealing of cow. Gogrhanam. Stealing of cows has been foiled. Won. Avijayatam means won. The stealing of cow has been won. Apayata Dhutrashtra. The Kauravas, son of Dhutrashtra. Apayata means go away. Here went away. The Kauravas, son of Dhutrashtra, went away. Raja Apurva Yote Harsaha Bruhi Kenasi Vismitaha. Apurva means unpredicted. Hers means joy. Your joy is indeed unprecedented. Bruhi Kenasi Vismita. Vismita means surprise. Tell me, what is it by which you surprise? Your joy is indeed unprecedented. Tell me, what is it by which you are surprised? Bhattah Asradhayam Priyam Praptam Sobhadro Grahanam Gataha. Bhatt says, Asradhya, unbelievably. Priyam Praptam, the Subhadra, the Subhadra's son of Subhadra, Grahanam, capture. Unbelievably glad news is received. Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, is captured. Raja Katham idami gruhita. Katham idanim gruhitaha. Katham idam means how. Gruhita, captured. King says, how was he captured? How was be captured? How was be captured? Bhatt says, Rathama Saddam Nisadakam Bahu Vayava Vatarataha. Rathama reaching his chariot. Reaching his chariot. Nisadakam, brought down. Bahu means arm. Bhayavata means without fear. Reaching his chariot, he was brought down in arms without fear. But says, Reaching his chariot, he was brought down in arms without fear. Raja says, Kena. Whom? By whom? King. By whom? भट से भटः य किलेश नरेन्द्रण महासने विनियुक्ते बल्लव टेन बल्लव हियर नेम बल्लव विनियुक्ते मीन्स अपॉइंटेड किलेश किचन नरेन्द्रण महासने मीन्स मैजेस्टी the ballav but says ballav who was appointed in the kitchen by his majesty ballav who was appointed in the kitchen by his majesty. Raja says tena hi satakritya praveshatam abhimanyu brunalle praveshatam abhimanyuh tena hi satakritya praveshatam abhimanyu. The king says, Pravesh treated with Satakritya means honor. Abhimanyu be brought in having entered him with honor. Entered with him honor. I repeat, Abhimanyu be brought in having entered him with honor. Brunalla Pravesatam Abhimanyu bring enter. Okay, Brunalla entered Abhimanyu in. Brunalla says Yada Yagnapati Maharaja Niskratant Yada Yagna whatever his majesty's order Yagna means order whatever his majesty's order Niskratam exits Tata Pravisati Abhimanyu Bruhanalla Ballavacha then enter Abhimanyu Bruhanalla and Ballav. Tata means then enter Abhimanyu, Brunalla and Ballava. Brunalla says, Itaha Kumara Abhimanyu. Itaha means here by this side. Abhimanyu, Kumar. Here, this side, Abhimanyu Nama Katham. Abhimanyu Namaham Boh Kima Namabiha Abhibhasyatente Kshatriyaha Atra. Abhimanyu said, Bruhanama. Said by Abhimanyu. Katham, how? Said by Abhimanyu, how? Abhimanyu Namaha. I am Abhimanyu. Oh. Ki Nama bhi. Abhiksayate Kshatriya. Here, addressed Kshatriya addressed here by their names. Here, Kshatriyas addressed by their name. यहाँ क्षत्रिय को अभिमन्यु नाम से बुलाया जाता है. ऐसा कौन कह रहा है? अभिमन्यु कह रहा है. Brunalla Abhimanyu Sukham Astete Janani. Brunalla says, Oh Abhimanyu, is your mother happy? Sukham happy. Brunalla said, Abhimanyu, your mother is happy? Abhimanyu, Katham Janani Nama. What? Ya fir how? डिड यू से माई मदर? डिड यू से माई मदर? किम भवान् धर्मराजो मे भीमसेनो धनंजयः यमुना पितृवदा काम्य श्रीघटां पुच्छये कथाम्। कि भवान् धर्मराजो, धर्मराजो मीन्स युधिष्ठिर, भीमसेनो मीन्स भीम, धनंजय मीन्स अर्जुन. First of all, this verse we convert into prose order. किम भवान् मे धर्मराजः भीमसेनः धनंजयः यत् माम पितृवत् आक्रम्य श्रीघटां कथां पुच्छते. पितृवत् आक्रम्य means this word is divided into two parts. पितृवत् आक्रम्य. Okay. Bhavana, you. Bhavana means use. Dharmaraja means Yudhishthir, the eldest Pandavas. Dhananjaya means Arjun. Bhimsena means Bhim. Pitruvata means like father. Akrama means attacking. Srigatam means concerning the lady. Puchate means asks. Are you Dharmaraj or Bhimsen or Dhananjaya? Are you Dharmaraj, Bhimsen or Dhananjaya that you are asking about the news concerning the lady approaching me like my father? I repeat the whole verse's translation. Are you Dharmaraj or Bhimsen or Dhananjaya that you are asking about the news concerning the lady approaching me like my father? Brunella says, O Abhimanyu, अभिमन्यु, अपि कुशली देवकी पुत्र केशव. अभिमन्यु is Krishna, देवकी पुत्र, the son of Devaki, happy? अभिमन्यु से कथ तत्र भवतम् अपि नामनम्. अथ किम कुशली भवतः असश्रुतः. कथम तत्र भवतरम अपि नामः. Why the revered person by name? Why the revered person by name? अथ किम, certainly कुशली भवतः. Your relative is well. उभो परस्परम अवलोकयन्. Both look at each other. Ubho paraspara means each other. Avalokya. Both look at each other. Abhimanyu says, Katham idami avagnam iva ma hasyate. Laughing. Hasyate means laugh. Savagnam means scarcetically. Now why are you laughing at me scarcetically? Bruhenlas न खलु किश्यटम त्वं तु पाठपुत्रः जनार्दन तव मातुलः त्वं च तरुणः तथापि तेन पदाति न गृहीत. Brunella says, न खलु, indeed, it is nothing. Kichita, it is nothing. Indeed, it is nothing. But Tvam Pathaputra, you are a son of Path. You are a son of Path. Janardana Tava Matula. Janardana means Krishna. Krishna is your maternal uncle, mother's brother. Okay, Krishna is your maternal uncle, relative in our mother's relative. It's called maternal uncle. Tava cha taruna, you are young. Taruna, young. Tathapi, even then. तथापि तेन पदाति न गृहीत. आप कौन हो? पाठपुत्र हो. कृष्ण आपका मामा है. आप यंग हो, फिर भी आप एक पगपाड़ा से कैप्चर हो गए. तो यू वर कैप्चर्ड बाय दैट soldier? Abhimanyu. अल स्वच्छदन प्रलापेन अस्माकं कुले आत्मसड्डलाट उचित नासितः रणभूमो हतेषु शरानपस्य मा विना नामान्तरं न भविष्यति. Alam, enough of loose talk. Swapna Palopan means enough of loose talk. Asmakam Kule, in our family. Praise Lada means praising self is not uchitan means proper. Enough of loose talk in our family, praising self is not proper. Ranabhumo Hetesu, in the battlefield, okay, on the battlefield, Hatesu Saranana, killed, were killed, Hatesu Saranana. Posture, the see, posture means see the arrow struck into those who were killed on the battlefield. Mavina Namantan Bajati. Mavina means no other name. Mavina Namantan means no other name accepted mine will be there. Enough of loose talk in our family, praising self is not proper. See the arrows struck into those who were killed on the battlefield. No other name except mine will be there. Brunella Atmagatam Ashakam Ahakumara Prakasam Evam Vakeshranodiyam Kimatham Tena Padatina Gruhitaha. Atmagatam means to himself. Brunella says to himself. Soka Ahakruma means right. Prince is saying what is right. Prakasam means loudly. Eva Vakya Sunoditam. This bravery in speech, Vakya means speech. This bravery in speech, Kimatatena Pradatina Gruhita. Why are you captured by the full soldier? Why were you captured by that full soldier? In this video, we stop here. We continue our lesson in next video. Thank you for watching this video.